When you're in a bad mood, when you're in a good mood, when you're in a good mood, the lid is open. Why does this happen? Because the environment changes when Cephalotus is replanted. Because Cephalotus adapts to the environment. The closing of the lid of the original cash bag is a sign of this. When they are able to adapt to the environment, its lid opens or a new capture pouch begins to form. Cephalotus care tips. How to check for abnormalities when growing Cephalotus. That is to check if the lid of the Cephalotus is closed. Cephalotus, if there is no abnormality, the lid is open like this. But my Cephalotus also has a closed lid. What do you think could be the cause of the closed lid? It could be that the basement is not in good condition. It may be a low humidity environment for the Cephalotus. In the case of my Cephalotus, I turned up the water. Then the next day, the lid opened beautifully. I thought it was a very delicate carnivorous plant, but that's the fun of it. I have been growing Cephalotus for a while now. And I have thought to myself, that Cephalotus is a very strong plant. Why did I think that? It was when I repotted them. When I finished replanting and growing the Cephalotus, most of the original growth died, as you can see in the picture. I felt very sad at this point, wondering if Cephalotus had already died. However, there were still some healthy leaves left, so I left them alone. 3 months later, new shoots sprouted again. This made me very happy and surprised at the same time. And I thought it was a very strong plant, Cephalotus and mold. I had been growing them in a poorly ventilated area, and white mold started growing on them. Here is a photo of that time. The red circle is the part where mold has grown. To prevent this mold, the mold will disappear if you dry it with good ventilation and do not water it. The mold is safely gone. Preferred environment for Cephalotus. Cephalotus grows in an environment with sunlight through the curtains and some ventilation. Cephalotus grows well under artificial light. Cephalotus grows well even in such hot places. Why is Cephalotus so strong? Let's consider the origin of Cephalotus. Cephalotus is native to Western Australia. I was shocked to see Cephalotus growing wild. That is this photo. It grows naturally in rock-like places like this. Please also take a look at this photo. The ocean can be seen just nearby. I had no idea that the ocean sea breeze is so strong and that it grows naturally in a rocky place. I'd love to visit the Cephalotus origin someday. As far as the place of origin is concerned, a strong sea breeze blows in from the sea. Cephalotus grows in areas with intense sunlight. That is why Cephalotus is a very strong carnivorous plant. That's how to care for Cephalotus. And that concludes the video about the origin of Cephalotus. If you like this video, please hit the like button. How to care for carnivorous plant in my channel. I post videos about the changes of carnivorous plant. Please subscribe to my channel if you are interested. Thank you for watching.